Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So I just picked this sign up here locally in Orange County. This is a really nice looking sign. The guy had it for many years hanging in his garage on the wall. And when he got it, he had sent it out for new neon, new transformers, and new timer, which moves the blinking part around. It's almost virtually silent, which is really nice. Some of these signs got a pretty good hum in them, but this one does not. It's virtually silent. This is a full porcelain face here. It is a single-sided sign, and it's all original can. So the original can, porcelain side. Apparently it was made by Korn. I don't know if they made the whole sign or just the porcelain. As you see, it's in beautiful condition. It's ready to hang. It is 6 foot wide, 3 foot tall, 11 inches deep, and has all of the hanging brackets to put it on the wall, or here you could hang it from chains. Super nice sign, single-sided porcelain, office, vacancy, and I came out of a motel, and he says to me that he got it out of Texas. So this is a Texas sign, hung out there somewhere. I don't know where it was, but it's a Texas sign, and it is super cool, and it is gonna look good in your big man cave or garage. Anyway, as always, thank you for watching our videos, and whoever gets this, enjoy the sign. Thanks.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.